turkey. Why must we fight? Why must we always disagree? Why can't we just all get along? That's my question to you. That's all I ask. Is that really so hard? Think about this. I am the last person who supports war. I don't like to see people die. It goes against my very nature as a human being. So I have just one request. Hear me out. And don't kill me. Think of your fellow man, lend him a helping hand, put a little love in your heart. You see it's getting late, oh please don't hesitate, put a little love in your heart, and the world will be a better place, and the world will be a better place for you and me. You just wait and see. Another day goes by and still the children cry. Put a little love in your heart. If you want the world to know we won't let hatred go, put a little love in your heart, and the world will be a better place, and the world will be a better place for you and me. You just wait and see, wait and see. Take a good look around, and if you're feeling down, put a little love in your heart. I hope when you decide, kindness will be your guide. Put a little love in your heart, and the world will be a better place, and the world will be a better place for you and me. You just wait and see. Put a little love in your heart. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Put a little love in your heart. We gotta do it now. Love inside of me. Put a little love in your heart. A little love now. Love in your heart. Love you every day. Little love in your heart, yeah. Little bit of love, little bit of love. Put a little love in your heart. Put a little love right in your heart. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Is that too much to ask?